Hi everyone, Lindy from the Lunchbox Queen here. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use these vehicle sandwich cutters. Usually if I take my time I can easily get 4 shapes out of each piece of bread, making 2 complete sandwiches, but just going quickly today. So press them out, then just stamp the top piece. You can use these cutters on the filling too. We'll just do some cheese today. And there it is, little aeroplane sandwich to pop in our snack box. We also have this style in an animal design, which is really popular. But the extra cool thing about these vehicle ones is they actually come with a base piece. So you can pop your sushi rice in there, compress it down, and you have a really cool vehicle rice ball. So all these things that you saw today are available from thelunchboxqueen.co.nz.